Alright. One here on the upper right side of the map, we have our Vietnamese player, SCVRN. And on the lower left side of the map, we have our Protoss player, Pinoy Pride, na si ERW. Now, we're on the map called Roaring Currents, and it's a 1v1 map. So, excuse me. So, ang special dito sa map na to is, maliban sa, okay, there's a path, no? Going here, papunta sa base ng kalaban. Same time, pero malayo yung distance, di ba? Malayo yung distance. Same time, the other expansions, merong 4 expansions dito, may 3 ditong islands na you can only get to when you use dropships or shuttles or float your command center, and meron din dito na isang base na you need to get to using only dropships and shuttles or float CC, no? So maliban doon, no, what's the meta in this map is normally Protoss would go for Nexus first, and Terran sometimes goes for CC first or gasless expand. Reason being is because hindi basta-basta madali ma-cheese, but still cheese is still a possibility, no, sa ganitong map. Kasi nga siguro naisip ng players na okay, probably magi-greedy mode yung mga tao dito, so let's do the cheese para hindi tayo para makatch natin off guard yung kalaban. So, mga ganung scenario. And this is also a good map na mag-carriers, no? Kasi, imagine, no, if you go carriers here, then atakin mo itong base, kunwari, you can just have your carriers over here and haharas mo yung SCVs, or have your carriers here, no, and harass the base here, and the Goliaths, you have to stand over here, no? And ang layo, no, minsan hindi pa kita ng vision, di ba? Lalo we have this cliff, you need to scan, you need to float buildings, challenging, so it makes carriers very powerful. Okay, now ERW just going for a fast Dragoon, probably 23 next siguro ito, 19 or 21, let's see. Of course, the Terran player sees, okay, nag-cybernetics agad. And ganoon din, okay, play safe. Both of them are playing safe. Hindi nag-gasless yung Terran. Same time, hindi nag-Nexus first yung Protoss. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So, this is a standard, no, factory expand perhaps. No, yung previous game, akala ko factory expand, pero when you saw that number of Marines, okay, that was going to be a push. Okay, now, ang ginagawa ng SCV na to, no, is to scout for any proxies. Baka may proxy gateways and mga proxy river and stuff like that. Kasi that's still a possibility, no? So, yeah. Yan talaga. Yung mga mind games, you have to watch out for them, lalo sa mga ganitong klaseng mga matches. Okay, so we now see the Dragoon range being researched. At least we can assume Dragoon range. Hindi naman siguro mag-carrier via si ERW na one base, no? Into Dragoon. Okay, now, ito na. Okay, look. Hindi. Okay, bunker muna. Okay. So, look, okay. Vulture ba? Hindi, walang vulture. Okay. So, instead of going for vulture, muna siya, nag-machine shop, which is, of course, understandable kasi nga, with a vulture, like, malabo maka-damage siya dito. Or, you know, mas magiging mag-research na lang siya right away. Is sending vulture out. And we have the CC. And we should be seeing Nexus on the side of ERW in a bit. Kaya siguro nag-bunker dito si SCVRN because nakita niya na nag-dragoons agad si ERW and gusto niya mag-play safe. Okay, so Vulture ang unang unit na ginawa. Nakailag tong probe. Nakatago. Hindi na. Or maybe tinago niya talaga yung Vulture. I don't know. Okay, now probe goes up. Sees this bunker, sees the depot. Matras siya. He's just gonna get killed. Makakatch kaya siya ng Vulture. Okay, now Vulture's trying to lay mines, no? to have map control. Pero ang galing, no? Na-sense ni ERW, okay, hindi mo na siya lalabas. Dito lang muna siya. Baka mapitas lang ng vulture, okay. Okay, now this Dragoon, nilagay yan dito, most likely to prevent any dropship play. Kasi pwede kasing idaan ng Terran dito pag ganun. So this is more of a preventive measure. And kung dito naman dumaan Terran, well, nandito naman yung Dragoons niya. Can easily fall back kung kailangan. Okay. So the funny thing is build nila, no, is parang lang silang nasa normal map. yung play na ginawa nila is parang hindi to island map, no, like parang just Radion or Polestar, Polypoid. Tinitreat nila that way yung map, ganun yung based on what they're doing right now. Pero you notice wala pang tanks na nilalabas SCVRN, more on mines. Probably worried siya sa mga potential drops just because of the nature of the map. So I guess that's kinda playing into the map yung ginagawa ni SCVRN. Kasi alam niya na potential lang map, so nagmamines na siya as a preventive measure. Okay, we have turrets being built on the side of ERW. Okay, still nothing fancy, no river tech, just some standard PvP stuff. Now we have the tank. Okay, third base about to finish for ERW. Itong probe talaga. Okay, interesting na hindi talagang dito dinaan yung vultures, no? Talagang dito dinaan yung vultures imbis na dumiretso dito. Interesting. Yeah, now there's the observer out finally. Okay, now vultures trying to do a run by. Kaso this Dragoon does a perfect job, no? Na nakaharap dito. Oh, hindi niya na hold position now. Hinold position na niya. Okay. So that was a good pickup. Oh, namatay na yung yung ating scouting probe. Oh, sad. Si Junior namatay na. Oh. Yatay nila si Junior, guys. Oh well. Anyway, that probe already did this job na. Nagawa niya yung mission niya. So siya yung nagpakamartir for the sake of the Terran, Terran, Protoss, Protoss oligarchy, whatever. Yeah, pero that was a clean pick off ng Protoss, ng vultures. So probes, and again, papatay na ito. Oh, grabe yung haras, ha. Naka-anim na probes na. 6 probes already killed by this vulture runway. Now, magiging 7. Up. 7 na nga. Grabe, pitas. Ang dami na napitas na probe. And that's actually really big, no? Especially this early in the game. Picking up those probes, malaking pinsala na rin yun. Now we're heading to 5-pack. Dito sa side ng ating Vietnamese player. We have the starport. Do we have a CC coming up soon? Okay, so yeah, still vultures are running around trying to sneak in and find ways to do damage, no? Pero ito na, prevent ni ERW, checking this expansion over here, trying na umikot, no? Pero again, this was a good block. ERW hindi basta-basta makakatagos ang vultures, and they're just dead. Uy, galing nun ah. Nakita nyo yun? Ginawa niya ng glitch para makalusot. Oh. Grabe yung damage ng mines. Pulado na yung mga dragoon. Okay, now this is a scary Scary Terran Army. Kita yung observer, of course. Talagang yung, dito yung dinadaan yung army. Okay, now goes here na lang instead. Okay. Okay, I just realized one thing, no. Ngayon ko na napansin talaga. In detail. Dati, I think yung previous versions ito, may daanan dito, and then may daanan pa dito, di ba? I think may daanan to dito, then ngayon hinarang na lang. Ewan ko tama yung memory ko, pero dati may daanan din dito. May daanan dito, may daan dito, may daan dito. I don't know. But yeah, now, naka-station ng Terran Army dito. That would be preventing any dragoons or, any push from coming in anytime. As the Terran player takes the third, ito na. And fourth. Okay. This is an early fourth, no? Kasi normally nasa 12 minutes pa, pero this is an early fourth. But of course, kaya nagagawa ng Terran to is because, tignan mo, na talagang yung choke point, the only path to get to these bases ay nandito naka-station yung Terran. So, kung gusto ng Protoss, no, maka-breakthrough, he has to brute force through Zealots and drops here, or sa shuttle and drop siya over this side, or use air units or recalls and stuff like that. Ayan, may Arbiter. Uy, hindi ko na nakita. Nakafocus mo masyado sa Terran. I didn't even notice yung Arbiter tech. Okay, now, yun na. Arbiters are slowly positioning themselves for recall. Pero, grabe, ang ganda ng turrets. Naka-prepare na talaga yung turrets ni SCVRN for any drops or recalls. So, 130 energy. Ang recall is 150 energy, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, now, you can see, Protoss army slowly moving in. Kaso ang problema, pag nag-recall dito, ang daming mines. Too many mines. Yung best recall spot would be here. And may observer. Oh, okay. Ano maganda dito? May observer. So, you can see kung saan ang best recall spot. But yeah. Ano yun? You have the Arbiter here. Recall on top of the tanks. Zealots. Oh. Kaso, grabe, naubos lang sa Vulture. That recall did nothing. That was a very fast response. Terran, no? Nag-scan agad. Scan and unsiege tanks. Grabe, that was a really great reaction ng ginawa nating Vietnamese player. So once nakita recall, unsiege, nag-scan, unsiege, and yeah, na-prevent yung damage. So I don't know if that recall was actually worth it, no, to try. Or maybe dapat sa base na lang. Pero kasi this army is looking scary. Hindi naman pwedeng hayaan lang mag-mass up to 200 units yung Terran. That's going to be hard to deal with. Yeah, so still on 5 factories. Upgrade-wise, Terran is still at +1. And vessels are coming out very soon. Now, this is 4 base against 4 base. And we can arguably say na this is still an even game, or maybe ahead on Terran because pantay sila ng base. Because normally Protoss has to be at least one base more than the Terran player. Okay, there's an Arbiter here. May Ninja Arbiter over here. At the same time, ERW just can't ignore na anytime pwede siya ma-push dito. Kaya he has to really prepare for any possible counterattacks. Now, ERW finally going for that recall, no? EMP, may energy tong vessels. Oh! Na EMP! Oh, Arbiter just dies. Grabe, timing, no? Yeah, very on point yung EMP there. And very good scans as well. Very good scans, very good prediction kung possible na pwede daan ng Arbiters. And now, 5th base is gonna get taken. And Probably mag-ascend siya ng SCVs there soon or just train SCVs from here. Or yeah, so very good defense by the Terran player, and this is not looking good for our Protoss player. Yeah, pero upgrades wise, naka plus 2 na. Plus 2 na ang Terran. And our Protoss has plus 1 armor? Okay, that was a bit of suicidal attack na ginawa ng Terran, no? Daming tanks on siege, wala sa position. There's some shuttles to, but merong vessel to detect. Kaso, I think this Terran army could get cleared. Shadow clump ng tanks, but let's see. Now Zealots are going on top of tanks. Yeah, just the Zealots are doing an amazing job of clearing the tanks. And now, that was a good defensive matrix, kaso too late the hero na. Now, the Protoss just needs to get up and clear this base, no? Arbiter needs to move out from turret fire. Okay. Now, Terran army trying to reinforce this position, no? Trying to save this fourth base from dying. Or third or fourth base, basta yung base na to, from getting picked off. Now, ERW, yan, nag-rebuild the units, may mga Templars na Arbiters built, no? Will try to take down this command center. And yeah, ERW does get the command center. And, hindi napansin yung shuttle, no? Got taken down. But, merong hidden base ang Terran dito. Okay, so 3 base against 4 base, it's not too bad. And sa supply gap, hindi masyadong gap sa side ng Terran. So, it's still looking good for Terran. Even with that damage, no, it's still looking good for Terran. Kasi, the Protoss is still on 4 base right now. And look at the supply gap. No? So, yeah, ERW needs to expand sa mga islands then makuha or probably eliminate the space ASAP. Okay, Terran units moving forward. Goliaths. Mapipitas yung mga probe. Now, many vultures coming in, no? Many vultures coming in, trying to do some harass. Pero, yeah, there's this arbiter here, but there's also a vessel. There's a vessel to counter the... good storm! Good storm those vultures and clears those vultures and those few Goliaths. No? So, yeah, this Terran army will be get pushed back. Kaso, what's this? Na A-click hindi na atras and too late na hero na realize now when it's just there. Daming suicidal tanks. Probably na rally dito. Now, ERW needs to expand. No? Kailangan niya talaga mag-expand to keep this up. He needs to secure itong island. So, kaya niya kunin niya ang island. So, tig isang probe and some cannons at least, minimum. Para make sure, bago siya maunahan ng Terran. On side of Terran, let's check the upgrades. Currently, naka 2-1 na. And the armory is still blinking. It's probably, a weapons upgrade. So that would make more sense. So now, ang mahirap lang, no, as Terran, yes, you have vessel, no? Pero kasi when arbiters are out, nag-iiba yung laro eh. You have to be more attentive, lalo sa combat. Kasi anytime, merong stasis na pwede ma-stasis yung vessel mo, ma-stasis yung clumped up group ng tanks mo, suddenly you could lose the game just by that. And of course, yung mga recalls. Pero so far, the defense, recall, grabe, dami minds, so. On point ang recall defense naman ni SCVR. And so far, now, we have the arbiter here. Ano gagawin ng arbiters? Okay, finally, na-prevent ang CC from landing here in that Nexus, no? Naunahan, munti ka na siya maunahan ng Terran player to occupy that base. And then, there's a probe here. As syempre, and I didn't notice, there was a recall dito sa area na to. Okay. Okay. ERW managed to break through and push forward, no? Kaya lang, marami pang Terran reinforcements coming in. And there are still vessels, no? Now, nag-siege up yung tanks. And wala na siyang zealots. Okay, the stasis ng tanks. Probably this base is gonna get taken down again. And, dapat i-attract mo yung arbiters mo. Oh. Yeah, so let's check. No, so ito, naharangan ulit ang base, another CC. Yeah, so the Terran player, our Vietnamese player is trying to hold on to this base, no? Reinforcements coming in. Kaya lang, konti units. Where are the other units? Mind out na yung main. For Protoss, mind out na rin ang main. Mind out na rin, mind out na rin ang natural. So yeah, okay. ERW managed to clear that base, pero meron pang base ang Terran dito. And was able to prevent, no? Expansion from the Terran. So, ubusan pera na to, guys. Maubos na ang pera. Pero, Terran still has minerals over here. Still has 3 bases on ground without trying to float or anything. But yeah, nagtabi sila. Binaba ang CC dito. In front. Okay, best friend. Okay, Nexus and CC. So, syempre may cannon dito, so it's going to be annoying. Now, 4 vessels, lots of tanks. And going for the kill. Terran player finally maybe going for the kill na, no? We can see reinforcements rallying to this choke point dito sa tulay. Ano yung damage eh? May nakikita. Okay, now we have 4 arbiters moving out, no? Ngayon, nakita ni ERW, there's this army over here. It's a really scary army. Kaso kaya itong masistasis lang to actually. So, vultures being rallied, more reinforcements. Now, small group of Protoss units gets recalled to clear this base for the Terran. At the same time, Terran clearing this base. Tama, nag-unsiege na lang and just left 2 tanks to siege, clear this base. Pero maubos na rin halos sa minerals. But yeah, no. What's gonna happen here, no? Wala nang base dito. And the Protoss just trying to be annoying. And ang daming vessel. Ang hilig, grabe. Ewan ko, parang to me, no, in my opinion, this is overkill sa vessel. I don't know, guys. Just let me know sa chat. Parang overkill to sa vessel. But yeah, as you can see, binaba ang CC dito. As you can see now, right now, no, problema wala ng economy, ERW, and our Terran player still has more than 1,000 in the bank, and this is looking bad para sa ating Protoss player. Yeah, the Terran forces are slowly advancing to the base of ERW. And they're on 3-2 upgrades, a very strong upgrade na. ERW is on 2-2-2. And there are arbiters. Stasis. Pwede mo stasis to. Kaso dikit yung arbiter, isang EMP would clear. Okay? Stasis on vessel, kaso the tanks needs to be stasis as well. Ang weird na nangyari doon. Parang recall ba yung tinarget doon? I don't know. Or pwede ba yun? Ay, hindi pala. Nakita ko parang blink dito eh. Hindi pala pwede ma-target recall. Joke lang. Makita ko nag-blink somewhere dito kanina. Hindi ko alam kung ano. But yeah, no, these many vessels will just... Oh, grabe. Na EMP, ang arbiter. Yeah. Both players running out of steam, no? Wala nang pera. But meron pang mining base yung Terran. And there's a big vulture drop pala going here. Uh-oh. Grabe, pitas tong base. That's huge damage sa economy. ERW by hitting this many probes dito sa site. Dito sa isang island. But yeah, this army gets cleared by this Dragoon with the help of the Arbiter para hindi matarget ng tanks, no? And, yan na. Grabe bakbakan to. Now, 87 to 75 supply. But economy-wise, sino ba? Grabe bakbakan na exchange. May units dito. Yeah, ubusan lahi. And Terran has no SCVs here. So currently, ubusan lahi, no? And yeah, these arbiters are going to make it. Okay, wait, there's a CC over there. Ito still, may CC pero hindi nagpo-produce. So where are we at? Where are we at in this game? Okay, pula yung CC needs to be repaired para mag-survive. Yeah, Terran is ahead in terms of army quality, no? But our ERW still has arbiters. Pero may vessel naman. Okay, there's a small recall over here clearing this base. And meron pa bang mining base? Okay. Ayan, dito, may cannons dito, so mo-hold off yung Terran, no? At least madedefend kahit pa paano yung base. Okay, and ERW holds this base. Yeah, grabe yung bakbakan. Grabe scan. Double scan, mag-GG na ba to? Normally, if you see multiple scans from hear multiple scans from Terran, that's normally a GG. A GG scan ang sinasabi nga nila. Scan just to check ano yung situation before mag-quit. But yeah, look at this strong drop over here. Siege tank on high ground. Going to harass the crap out of the probes. And syempre, wala magawa ang Protoss army unless mag-drop siya dito or ano, mag-recall ba siya dito? Now we have here the vessel. EMP on the Arbiter. Oh! Too late, no? At least a stasis, pero kaya lang, what will that do? Meanwhile here, maraming mines. Kailangan ng observer din ni ERW. Now, ang good thing dito, na-clear yung isang mining base. So for Terran, yeah, meron pang isang mining base, isang pirasong SCV. Meron din dito, kaso kanina pa to. Hindi nagmamine. So, I don't know, this is very nail-biting, no? Anything can happen kasi these probes, sayang naman ito, maubos lang. Grabe. Gusto mag-land ng CC dito. Now, what will ERW you do here? So, nag-scout mo siya with observers, so checking any possible entry points. Kasi recall is here. Now, it was not worth it, no? Recall in that area, but how will you get out? You need another recall. Grabe, stuck ka dyan. Nako. I don't know if that's a good decision, no? So look at those arbiters, walang energy, and I don't know if meron pang ibang arbiters out here. Yeah, now, look, ang ginagawa ni ERW since may marami siyang gas, multi-minerals, he's producing high archons ngayon. Kasi yun lang afford niya at of the moment. Yeah, very nail-biting game we have here. Game number 4. Palang to, guys. So, if ERW wins, that's going to be 3-1. And if SCVR wins, that's going to be 2-2. So, any mining base. Okay, na-clear din pala yung base na to. All that action, no? Kakatingin ako dito. Clear na rin pala yung base over here. So, currently, isa lang ang potential mining base ng Terran which we have over here. Kaso, yeah, there's another recall being set up. Kaso, there's an that's a very good EMP. Both arbiters losing all that energy they saved up. Kaso now, these high archons are just gonna clear this army. SCVRN dito. Grabe, patay. Okay, naubos si shield. So now, SCVRN making the most of what they can with the titirang minerals and SCVs, no? Ni-repair kasi sana, I don't know. Yan, yellow na. Mine, pwede lang mag-harvest. You can actually harvest. Actually, you can lift. Wala na pala yung CC dito. Ni-lift. Yung CC dito, pwede siyang ma-lift. Take this base. Para ma-continuous and ang economy. So, currently, no? This is not looking good for ERW. Oh, grabe. Too many spider mines. Okay, this is looking bad for ARW. Wala siyang mining base. While yung Terran tuloy-tuloy lang sa pagmamine. No, ang daming dropships ferrying over some SCVs and some units no to the islands. ARW needs to do something fast or else hindi siya maka-catch up dito sa rising economy ng Terran. Okay, now there's the High Archon are harassing. Gonna kill this command center over here. Now, anong plano? What's the game plan from here? Grabe yung bababa ng supply, and yeah, nagmamine kasi yung Terran eh. Really hard. Uh-oh. Okay, so ERW is probably going to go for the production. Yeah, what's the game plan from here? Up, ingat sa turrets! Ouch. Okay, anong pinaproduce na units? Okay, may tank. There's a tank, pero hindi pala natitrigger ng mines yung High Archon kasi floating. Ayos to ah. And I send ERW yun. Ba't pa niya si Legion tank na dun, lol? Anyway, what a game. Hindi ko alam kung ano mangyari, honestly eh. Kasi, probably, yung unang magkamali dito, talo na. Yun ang situation na to eh. Very, very thin line between winning and losing for both sides. Also, there's Vultures though. Vultures do an amazing job of killing High Archons kasi ang bilis ng DPS, kaso wala. Oh, EMP! Aray ko! Aray ko! Grabing EMP ba? Yung problema sa High Archon, they're just all shields. All shields in attack. Pero yung life maliit lang. GG? I think GG na. Yeah, GG CRW. Wala siyang pera. Vietnamese has mining bases pa. So, there you have it. That's 2-2 in favor. Well, it's a draw pala. 2-2. That's game number 4. 2-2. And the victory goes to SCVRN for that game.